In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and manage add-ons in Blender, a crucial skill to enhance your 3D creation capabilities. Whether you're new to Blender or just trying to get the most out of your setup, understanding how to manage add-ons effectively can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, open Blender and go to the Edit menu, located at the top of the application window. From the drop-down list, select Preferences. This is your main hub for customizing Blender to suit your needs. Once you're in the Preferences window, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side with several options. Click on the Add-ons tab. This section allows you to view and manage the various add-ons available for Blender. Use the search bar to quickly find the specific add-on you want to enable. Once you've located it, simply check the box next to its name. This action will activate the add-on, integrating its features into your Blender workspace. After you've enabled the add-on, it's important to make sure it stays enabled for future sessions. Look for the Save User Settings button, usually at the bottom of the Preferences window, and click it. This step ensures that the add-on remains active even after you close and restart Blender, saving you the hassle of re-enabling it every time. In some cases, you might not find your desired add-on in the default list. Don't worry, Blender allows you to install add-ons manually if needed. To do this, return to the Preferences window and locate the Install button, which is also within the Add-ons section. Clicking this opens a file browser. Navigate to where you've saved the add-on's .zip file. Select the file, and Blender will automatically install it for you. After installation, don't forget to activate it by checking the box next to its name in the list. For those situations where manual installation is necessary, here's how to tackle it. Begin by unzipping the add-on file you wish to manually install. Next, you need to find the right directory within your Blender installation. On Windows, this is typically located at C/users, your username, app data, roaming, Blender Foundation, Blender/Blender version, scripts/add-ons. Navigate to this directory and copy the folder from your unzipped add-on here. Finally, restart Blender to refresh its settings. Upon reopening, navigate back to the Preferences and the Add-ons tab to confirm that the add-on now appears in the list. It should be ready for activation. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to enable and manage Blender add-ons efficiently. Don't forget, these tools are designed to enhance your creative potential, so take some time to explore and experiment with different add-ons to find what works best for your artistic needs. Happy blending,